Friends, prelims nowadays is becoming a game of logic rather than knowledge. With knowledge, you will be able to solve few preliminary questions, but majority of the question contains logical guess. Most of the candidates, they think about tricks, various types of tricks to solve the preliminary question. But students, what a candidate should follow is a proper logical guess. If a candidate is solving preliminary questions on a regular basis, chances are very high that in the examination, the candidate would arrive to a proper guess. So friends, in today's video, I am going to share with you few prelims preparation tips. Tip number 1, read the options well. Tip number 2, even if you get a single clue or a piece of information, this might lead to a proper answer. Tip number 3, read the entire question or entire option irrespective of whether you know it or not. Students, if you don't know the correct answer for a question, try and identify the wrong answer. If you arrive at a wrong answer, automatically you will arrive at a correct answer. Students, to put all these aspects in place, all you need is a guide. So friends, we at La Excellence Bangalore are going to start a free scholarship test for our core batch. In this scholarship test, there will be 50 preliminary questions, 4 mains questions and 1 essay. We are going to select 25 candidates, and these 25 candidates will be provided with free study hall, that is 24/7. You will be given daily and weekly preliminary test. You will be provided with in-house mentors for your guidance, and these mentors are no one but our rankers. Friends, you will be given daily, weekly and monthly current affairs magazines, and you will be given an opportunity to attend our rapid revision program. So friends, through this program, you will understand the knack and the tact of cracking the preliminary examination. So friends, if you crack your preliminary exam, we will also provide you with mains guidance. So students, the scholarship test will be conducted on 18th of December. We are getting ready for you. Are you?